January 29th, 2021 focus question. All right, same thing all week. Devin kept track of his math test for a total of 5 weeks. He scored the following percentages on his test. So we're going to find the mean today, but remember the mode was the number the mode was the number we saw the most of. The range was that big number minus the small number. Median was the middle. And that outlier was the one out of place. Either too big or too small. All right, so we're going to find the mean. So the mean, we're going to add all of them up. Add all numbers up. Then divide by amount of numbers. All right, so first thing what we're going to do, we're going to add all of them up. So we have 50 plus 80 plus 85 plus 75 plus 95. All right, so when we add them up, 5 times 15, 9 plus 1 is 10. That's 10, and then I have 15 and 22, 38. So 38 there, so 385. Now we're going to take 385 and we are going to divide it by the total number of numbers there are. So there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So we're going to divide it by 5. All right, how many times can 5 go into 3? It can't. How many times can 5 go into 38? Oh, that can go in 7 times. 5 times 7 is going to be 35. Subtract, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down that 5. Look at this. 5 goes into 35 7 times. You get 35. Subtract, you get 0. Nothing else to bring down. No remainders, no leftovers. So our answer is going to be 77. 77% is going to be our answer. Woohoo! That's it. That is going to be it for our focus question. I know that was a little bit tricky. It was a little bit more on the new side. We didn't get much practice with it, but don't worry. All we did was we added all of the numbers up, and then we divided by the total amount there were. And that's going to be it for our focus question. Great job.